Oh, these new tin candy apples are so cute. I'll show you how to dip, make cute candy apple bows, and decorate. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. I am using the 3-1-1 candy apple recipe, 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. Okay, I am going to go ahead and add my flavor because if I don't add it now, I will forget. So let me go ahead and give this a stir, add my flavor. This is the white Wilton icing color that I use and the Hobby Lobby chocolate. So I go ahead and add the white to make my mixture a milky look. And then I add 1 drop of chocolate and give it a good stir. Okay, this looks about right. So now I am going to go ahead and put this on the stove until my candy reaches 300 degrees. Yeah, this looks right. Until my candy reaches 300 degrees, I am going to go ahead and work on my candy apple bows. I use 1.5 inches of ribbon. You can purchase this ribbon anywhere. If I go too fast in this tutorial, don't worry about none of that. I have other tutorials, really slow-mo tutorials in the description down below. I also have a tutorial on how to make bows the easy way. So I'll post those down below. Just click on the links down below. Now this part right here is where everyone or the majority of people are getting messed up at. You just tuck the ribbon underneath the flap. There's a little flap. You pull the ribbon on up. You tighten it, pull up, pull down, and there's your bow. So at the end, a lot of people are just getting confused on tucking that ribbon under the flap. So I do have slow mode videos. I do have an easy way to make bows. So just, go to the bow section in my videos, the candy apple bows, and just take your time. Now all I have to do is fluff out my bow. Now it's time for me to assemble my apples. These are my wooden sticks from Hobby Lobby, my straws from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so now I am just going to place each wooden stick inside of the apple. I am just making sure the sticks are straight. So I am sticking these halfway down the apple. I'm putting my straws on top of the wooden sticks. They're going over the wooden sticks with no issues. Try not to push down too hard on the straws. Like me, I'm heavy-handed, and sometimes these straws can bend easily if you push down too hard. So I am just placing my straws over the wooden sticks. Okay, these are my bows. I do have bow tutorials again down below in the description. And this leopard candy apple bow, I definitely have that down below. That's done with a twist tie, so that's easy if you can't catch on. Okay, so my candy is done. I'm going to give this a stir and let these bubbles calm down some before I dip. Okay, I am going to tilt my pot and go ahead and put my apple in the candy mixture and rotate the apple, bring it up, and scrape the extra candy off the bottom on the side of the pot, and just repeat the process. is a pretty nude tan color. I really like how this color came out. So basically you just add your white and a drop of chocolate brown from Hobby Lobby. So now I am just going to decorate by attaching the bows on the candy apple sticks using a dab bit of hot glue. I'm just putting a dab of glue on the back of each bow and attaching it to the candy apple stick. Okay, I'm pretty much done, you guys. What do you think? These tan nude candy apples are so cute. Well, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. Ta-da! Okay, look at these candy apples. They're too cute. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.